Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do a beautiful Santa using beads. For this, we are using different colors of beads and a thread. Take one white bead and cross them. Crossing is inserting the other side of the thread through the bead. Join both the ends and pull. So after doing them, it looks like this. Next, take one end of the thread and take two red bead. You're going to cross both these two red beads. It looks like this. Next, take three red beads. Take three red beads and you're going to cross all the three red beads. It looks like this. Next, take four red bead and you're going to cross all the four red beads. Four red beads. Cross all the four red beads. It looks like this. Same way you are going to do for two more rows. Take 5 beads for the next row and you are going to cross all the 5 red beads. Next, take 6 red beads and you are going to cross all the 6 red beads. Crossing the 5 red bead. Looks like this. Next, 6 red beads and you are going to cross them. You are crossing the 6 red beads. It looks like this. So now we have done the hat of the Santa Claus. Next you are going to do the face. For that you are going to take 7 white beads and you are going to cross all these 7 white beads. Cross all the 7 white beads. It looks like this. Next take one white, one cream, one black, two cream, one black, one cream, one white. So if you see, we have taken one white, one cream, one black, two cream, one black, one cream, one white, and you are going to cross all the beads. So after crossing them, it looks like this. We have made the eyes. For next row, you are going to take two white bead, two cream, one pink, two cream, and two white, and you are going to cross all the beads. It looks like this. Next, take 8 white beads. So we have taken 8 white beads and you are going to cross all the 8 beads. It looks like this. So next, take 7 white beads and you are going to cross all the 7 white beads. For next row, you'll be taking 6 white beads and you'll be crossing all the 6 white beads. For next row, you'll be taking 5 white beads and you'll be crossing all the 5 white beads. So we have taken 7 white beads and you are going to cross all the 7 white beads. It looks like this. So next you're going to take 6 white beads and you're going to cross all the 6 white beads. And for the next row, you'll be taking 5 white beads and you'll be crossing all the 5 white beads. So after crossing them, it looks like this. Next I have taken 5 white beads and you're going to cross all the 5 white beads. So after doing them, the Santa looks like this. Next, you can make a knot here to secure the beads. And you can snip off. Same way you can make a knot this side also and snip off the thread. Santa Claus looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.